You're watching DDS TV. I really wish I had the audio for this, but I assume he wasn't saying the nicest of things. It's a Jeep thing, I wouldn't understand. This is literally peak insanity right there. I'm glad that the camera stayed calm about it because I personally would not have been calm. What do you think caused the truck to roll over? Please let me know in the comments down below. I was looking at it a few times and I would assume it's probably a load shift, but I can't really tell for sure. The driver came out from the left and was going for the median, and she almost stopped and the camera honked to get her attention, and her reaction was to turn the car towards the camera and then try to hit him head on.
That place up, man.
Oh, that sucks.
Whoa! Ah!
The vehicle pulled out in front of the camera, and the camera had no choice but to T-bone them, unfortunately. The driver exiting the plaza, wanting to join the main road, doesn't double check the left side before proceeding to make a right turn. The Volvo and some orange crossover stopped crosswise on the road, yelling at each other. The Range Rover in front of the camera decides to get involved and then ends up ramming the Volvo. 911 was called. This is why people avoid FM 1960. Not only did that driver inconvenience everyone, but also crashed with another car as well.
Holy moly!
Turn left.
The driver failed to do a complete stop at the stop sign and rammed into the camera. Part of me feels like this was somewhat deliberate. Maybe they felt entitled to go. What do you think? The camera doesn't know why they did this. He knew there was a car behind him to the right, but he wasn't sure where. Since there was no oncoming traffic, he went around to the left.
The 10th annual Chef's Barbecue Free Texas Meeting Series every Thursday evening live in Bell, Texas. This Tasty Chef's Barbecue 3 Texas Medium Series is proud to welcome Corey Morrow for a special 4th of July show with fireworks following the show.
The camera did the right thing and braked. The DPS trooper pulled over the aggressive driver pulling in front of the truck and served us some swift justice. Unfortunately, this driver committed a hit and run and the camera's looking for the red pickup. If you have any information, please leave it in the comments down below so the camera can see it. This isn't a crash or a bad driver, but some crazy lightning was caught on dashcam by the camera. I would say, as DDS tradition goes, make a wish.
Is that a fire? Something just exploded in front of us.
That's what Ellie could be calling about.
This isn't a crash, but it's still pretty insane. The camera caught a power line explosion while driving his girlfriend home. A very large tree branch fell on a power line and caused this crazy light show, knocking out power immediately. This was a close call with an idiot on his scooter. The camera was ridiculously close to hitting him. The camera's ABS kicked in, and the skateboarder probably had his AirPods in.
Oh, holy, what's he doing, bruh? Oh my God, what is he doing? This guy's crazy. He's out of control.
Too many construction companies think, oh well, they can deal with it. Well, this guy did actually deal with it. Learn to put them out properly. No reason those couldn't be moved on the fresh blacktop after that section was done. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usa-cams.com, you